Canadian Lounge, Colorado.
Angolos. Are you serious?
Cannabis is illegal in Nigeria, but unfortunately, about 50% of the youth still consume it. First of all, when discussing about cannabis, there is a moral standpoint, there is a legal standpoint, and there's a medical standpoint. I'm not here to discuss about the morality or the legality of it. I'm here to just talk about the medical effects. Now, firstly, cannabis is a drug. A drug is anything that alters the normal physiology of the body when used. Cannabis alters the brain's physiology. It is a psychoactive drug. It affects your mood, it affects the cognition, it affects your behavior basically. It is classified as a controlled drug. In the United Kingdom, it is classified as a Class B controlled drug. Class A controlled drugs are morphine and cocaine and the rest like that. Controlled drug in the sense that it has an addictive effect, meaning that patients who take it tend to cling to it for longer, so it is kept under lock and key in the hospital. Now, concerning the use of cannabis for medical purposes, in certain countries like Canada, the USA, and the Netherlands, they use cannabis in the hospital for the treatment of medical conditions. Even as far back as the 19th century, cannabis has been used for medical purposes, even in ancient China and ancient India. But when exactly do they use cannabis? Cannabis is only used when the benefits outweigh the risk. That is, when the other alternatives are worse than using cannabis. And for the prescription purpose, it is never prescribed in smoking form. That is recreational smoking. It is only prescribed in tablet form. There are some capsules, sometimes sprays, and there are some controlled inhalations as well. It is never prescribed as a smoke. So, what can cannabis be prescribed for? It is used for the treatment of chronic pain. It is used for the treatment of also neurogenic pain as well. It can be used as an antiemetic. It helps for nausea and vomiting, and it can also be used to stimulate appetite for critically ill patients that do not have appetite. This cannabis makes them eat a lot of food. But also for recreational smoking, there are some advantages, but the advantages are less than the disadvantages. It is sometimes used as a performance-inducing drug. Most times, these artists, musicians, they use it to record music because it helps with focus and it helps with concentration. It helps you for deeper thinking. But most times, the execution is bad. You think a lot, but you don't execute anything. So, what do you think? Should it be legalized for medical purposes, or things should remain the way they are? Leave your thoughts on the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. And also, if you like this video, I want to see more like this, like, share, and follow for more.